guys, nice to see you again. This is Edison from Dapu Aluminum Cooperation Limited. So long time no see. So today I want to introduce our custom law. Custom law is commonly known as custom law and security TSA's code law. It means the custom implementation of securities will track on your luggage and goods. When passing through the custom under the supervision of custom to ensure the safety of the goods. During transportations, universal TSA specialist key commonly now used by international custom. So let's talk about the safeties. The process of custom law and precision and quality requirements of the law tests are higher than ordinary combinations laws, unless the corresponding unlocking methods of the custom is used. The custom laws and cannot be opened, which is relative safe. So now I will show you our custom law one by one. Also, we have 4 custom law with different order opening methods. Which type of custom law has the safety performance. So let's talk about the first one. You can see the first one, custom law. And when you open the custom law, just press this button and press this button together, and the law is finished, and you can open the luggage. Now let's talk about the second custom law. You can see the custom law is totally different. Let me introduce how to open it. Just turn right and this turn right together, and that's finished. You can see. And when you close, just turn red. Finish. So the servants, you can see, and let's press this button and press this button together, and you can open the luggage. So when you close, just press these buttons and yes, finish. So let's talk about the last one. You can see the last one. This custom law is very easy. Just press this button and press the custom together and open it. When you close, just pan this position. This position is finished. So today I show you so many custom law, and we design and merge according to the beauty of the law. Of course, if you want, there's no problem with merging the favorite custom law on your suitcase. So thank you for watching my videos. So I will see you next time and talk about our lining. So goodbye.